Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing good and you all are safe at home with your family members. I also hope that you had a great Sunday where you enjoyed with your family and also revised whatever has been done in all the subjects. And I must say, all of you participated really well in the Independence Day activity program. Very, very nice. Children, today we are going to learn a very interesting topic. Let's see what is this. Oh, what is it? Naming words. Naming. Naming. Words. Naming words. Are you aware what are naming words? No? No problem. Let's see. Look here, children. Can you figure out whose picture is this? This is a woman, isn't it? This is a woman. You can also think that this is someone's mother who is cooking something over here. Then let's see here. This is a girl who's washing her hands. Okay. Next we see here. Oh, there are few boys. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have some boys here. So children, out of all these pictures, I have shown you the picture of persons. Person का मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by person? A human being. Who all are we? We are human being. We all are human being. We live, we grow, we live in a society. So we are human being. So naming words are what? Naming words are the name of persons. This might be someone's mother. So what is mother here? Mother is a naming word because it's a name of a person. This is a girl, isn't it? Do you know her name, Mona? So we will see by judging her clothes and everything, what do we understand? That she is a girl. So a girl is used for a term for a human being. Okay. So a girl is a naming word. Again here we see some boys playing. Do I know their name? No. I don't know their names. So the word boy over here means that it is a naming word. Naming words are word that tells us names of persons. Okay? They tell us the name of a person. And what is a person? A person is anyone who lives. Any human being. You are a person, I am a person. So we all are human beings. So we all have names, isn't it? So any name given to a person is known as a naming word. Children, look here closely in this picture. This is a doctor. So a doctor is a person. So this becomes a naming word. He is a boy. A boy is a person. So any name given to a person is known as naming word. Okay? Okay. Look here. Again we have a doctor and this boy is not well. He's gone to a doctor. So as I told you, doctor is a naming word because it is a name given to a person. So any boy, any man, any woman, the name given to all these are known as naming word. Let's come to the place. Can you see which place is this? This is a vegetable market, isn't it? So what is this market? A vegetable market. Then which place could it be? Could it be a restaurant? No. Where do we go to a doctor? We go to hospitals, isn't it? Then look here. these people are waiting for bus. Where do we wait for bus? We wait for the bus at the bus stop, isn't it? Then where do you all go to study? You go to school, isn't it, children? So all these are different places, and the names of places, for example, a market, doctor sitting at the hospital, this bus stop, or for a change, the school. All these names of places are also known as naming words. Okay? So children, now you know that names of persons are naming words. Names of places are also naming words. Now let's move ahead. Now tell me, what is this? This is a giraffe, isn't it? Then, what is this? This is a lion. No? He's the king of the jungle. And finally we have this little cute sheep, isn't it? So what are all these? These are all animals. So all these names of animals, like we have the sheep here, we have the lion here, and we also have this tall giraffe here. All these are known as naming words because these are the names of the animals. So the names of animals and the birds are also called naming words. So children, names of persons, places, animals or birds are naming words. And we move towards the last thing, that is, okay, tell me one thing, what is this? This is a pen, isn't it? What is this? This is a mobile. What is this? This is a speaker. ये सारी चीजें क्या है? What are all these? These are known as things. इन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? These are known as things. Okay? So the names of different things are also known as naming words. Let's read ahead. What exactly are naming words? I'm reading now. Pay attention. The names of a person, place, place, animal, animal, or things, things are called naming words. Naming words क्या होते हैं? These are the names. What are these? These are basically the names. Okay, so these are the names given to a person. किनके नाम? Person के, as I told you, mother, father, grandfather. It can be your name. You have a name, isn't it? I have a name. What is my name? Arshia. So this name is a naming word. Okay, so all the names given to a person, any place. For example, you're sitting at your home in a room, so your home is a place. If we were studying this in the school, then school is a place. In which city do you live? You live in Prayagraj, that is also a place. I showed you some animals, so all the names of the animals are naming words. And we have things. What do you mean by things? Things are all those things that do not live and grow. For example, I have this phone here. Okay, so tell me one thing, children. Can this phone grow? Is it a living thing? No, it is not a living thing, isn't it? And then if I talk about this pen, is it a living thing? क्या ये जिंदा है? नहीं. So things are all those that do not live and grow, जो बड़े नहीं होते. For example, you must be sitting on a chair, isn't it? So the chair you are sitting in, the pencil that you're holding, this paper, this notebook, that eraser you must be holding, the glass of water, the water bottle, all these are things. Okay, so basically you must remember the word names. And names are what? Persons, place, animal, or things. These are known as naming words. Let's read some example. For example, let's read a few examples of person. As I told you, a person can be a boy, girl. I've written few names here. Rohan. Now see the difference, children. I have written the name starting in capital. You must remember that we always write the names in capital when we know. But do I know the name of a boy? No. So if we do not know the name, then we will simply write down boy, and the B in that case will not be capital. If you do not know about the doctor, then it will be a simple doctor with a small d. But if you know the doctor's name, then it will be a capital D in that case, okay? So a teacher is also a person, girl, etc. Etc. means many more like this can be the example. So I hope you've understood what the names of persons are. Then we come to place. Prayagraj, Prayagraj. New Delhy, Delhi. So Prayagraj, New Delhi, these are different cities. So these are written in capital because they have a particular name. Whereas I have written park here. I have not mentioned which park am I talking about. So P would be small. Okay. So park, school, you go to malls. You also go to some beaches, mountain areas. You know, different cities, different countries. So all these are places. जगह है ना, जगह के नाम है. Then we come to animals or birds. Any name given to an animal or the bird is a naming word. For example, a dog, sheep, crow, cow, tiger, etc. Okay, so we have read about 3. That is persons, the names of all persons, names of all places, names of all animals or birds. And last we have the names of things. Things such as the pencil, bag, book, fan, etc. So look around in your room where you're sitting and at least notice 5 things around you. Remember, things means that do not live. आप सांस लेते हैं ना? You eat, you grow, you sleep, isn't it? But can your pencil grow? If, for example, if I had a pencil in my hand, so you tell me one thing. If I sharpen my pencil, can this grow again? But if you are feeling weak and you start eating healthy things and you keep eating healthy things at your age, then you will become big, you will grow. That means you are a living thing. Whereas all these things, pencils, bag, book, fan, the mobile that I showed you, or the speaker that I showed you, all these are non-living things. Okay, so for example, an apple, you eat an apple. What is an apple? It is a thing. Okay, so I repeat here again, the names of all persons, हर इंसान का नाम, all places, हर जगह का नाम, all animals and birds and things are known as naming words. Okay, children, naming words are also called nouns, nouns. Now, what does this mean that naming words are also called nouns? Okay, everybody must be having one pet name, isn't it? What do you mean by pet name? A name that is lovingly called at home. For example, if my name was Arpita, then maybe my family members would lovingly call me Aru or Arpi, anything of that sort. So सबका एक प्यार का नाम होता है ना? तो exactly this naming word also has another name, जो नाम है nouns, nouns. तो naming words and nouns are the same things. Okay, so naming words are also known as nouns. Now remember one thing, that we always begin, begin, begin the names of persons and places with a capital letter. Remember children that I told you, we always begin the names of person with a capital letter. For example, if I had to write down Raj here, okay, I would be writing R in capital. I will not write down Raj like this. This is wrong. If I had to write down Jaipur, Jaipur is a place, J has to be capital. If I write down the J in small, this becomes wrong. But as I told you, if you do not know the name of the park, it will be in small. If you do not know which market have you gone to, then again it will be small. Unless and until you know the specific name. जब तक आपको उसका नाम नहीं पता होगा तब तक वो कैपिटल नहीं होगा. Okay, but the names of all the persons start with capital letter. Names with all the places. Places over here I mean is the cities and the countries. ठीक है, जब तक आपको उनका नाम नहीं पता है. For example, if I knew, if I had gone to नेहरू पार्क, तब हमें नाम पता था, तो आई कैन राइट डाउन नेहरू एंड पी इन कैपिटल इन दैट केस. ओके, बट जब तक आपको नाम नहीं पता है तब तक इट विल बी इन स्मॉल. ओके चिल्ड्रन, एंड नाउ चिल्ड्रन आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग so that you can remember all what is required to know what are naming words. Okay, so now see, we all have got 5 fingers, isn't it? So let's say that on our palm here we have the naming words or nouns. Okay, on our palms we have the naming words. So remember from the word naming, N-A-M-I-N-G, naming is coming from name. तो name का मतलब क्या होता है? You all know that name means नाम. Okay, so किसका किसका नाम पता होना चाहिए आपको? You must know the names of P-E-R-S-O-N-S, persons, किसी इंसान का नाम. ठीक है, then P-L-A-C-E-S, places. Okay, then जगह का नाम, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals, जितने animals होते हैं उनके नाम. B-I-R-D-S, birds, जितनी birds हैं उनके नाम. and then T-H-I-N-G-S, जितनी भी things हैं उनके नाम. So you can easily remember from your fingertips. Your thumb would be person, then your index finger would be places, then middle finger would be animals, then next to middle finger would be your birds, and your little inky pinky finger would be your things. Okay, so the names of persons, places, animals, birds or things are known as naming words. Okay, I hope children that you've understood and you've had a great feeling watching this video. Thank you so much.